Yoga try-on haul. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw that I won $1,000 to go shopping at Alo Yoga. Again, thank you to Alo Yoga for that. That was amazing, and I got so many great pieces. So I wanted to do a little try-on haul and show y'all what I got, because normally models are gonna be a little bit taller, and I'm actually 5'2", so the clothes are gonna look different on my body than they would on a model. And so I just wanna show you what that's like, because I'm obsessed with the quality of these pieces, and they will definitely be getting me back as a returning customer. I've already bought actually a couple more pieces that I'll show you, just because I ordered some, I loved them, got them in additional colors. So here we go. So for the first piece that I want to talk about is these one shoulder sports bras. These are super in right now, and I know for anyone who has bigger chest, it's a little bit difficult to get something like this that's not going to be like too exposed. You can still actually work out in this bra, which is amazing. Like, I'm not going to be doing cardio in this, but I am doing like my upper body lifting, lower body lifting in these one shoulder bras. I do have this in additional color, so I'll show you that and what it looks like to have it in a color versus a black piece. But overall, like, I love the fit of this bra. The side that doesn't have the strap does like bunch a little bit for me, but easy little fix. It really is like, this stays secure, which is really shocking to me without having that strap there. So here's the back. It has a little Alo Yoga logo detail. It's super cute, and this is one of my staple pieces now. I love it. It's just like spices up any little black workout set that you can wear to the gym, you can wear it on the streets, I've actually worn this out to the bars with some jeans, so it's very versatile. So the next piece I want to talk about in this outfit is going to be these flared split hem yoga pants. They are super flattering, super high-waisted, and they just like feel very high quality. They're a great piece. I will say that since I am 5'2", they do run a little long. I thought about hemming them, but honestly I just like kind of pull them up a little bit. But the little split is just so cute to like show off your sneaker and just give you a little bit of a different feel than just a basic normal yoga pant, and I love them. I feel like you could totally even like wear these out with like a different blouse and dress it up, and it's super cute. Okay guys, so for the next piece, this is the Wild Thing bra. I actually have this bra in two colors, so this is it in the cream color. I love these bras. They have great support, great coverage, especially for someone who has a large chest. They do have this like cinching detailing, which kind of like makes it curve at the bottom, so it's super flattering, but it does, like when I'm working out, kind of like slide up. Not a big deal, because that's just like normal sports bra length. This just makes it like a little bit more like below the rib cage. Here's the back. Super cute, I love it, and I highly recommend this. I was nervous about getting the cream color and it being see-through. It's definitely not. I do wish I'd gotten it in white instead of cream. So we'll see, maybe I'll get that one too. The next two-piece set that we have is this amazing soft ribbed wonderful lounge set with a little logo detailing here and then also on the thigh. Super simple but like minimalistic. Love it. This set, I'd wanted this set for so long, and it is a pricier like lounge set if I'm gonna be honest, but it's really worth it. I swear, like the quality of this, I've washed it many times. It's not getting like pilly or worn down at all. I definitely highly recommend. All right, so now we have another sports bra. This is so supportive and comfortable. Like, I seriously live in this so much that I own it in 3 colors. Like, this sports bra, you've got to put in your closet, because not only is it a great sports bra to work out in, you can also like, I'll wear the white one with jeans to go out and like make it a cute casual outfit. Like, this sports bra, it has great support, amazing coverage, it's so comfortable, and it's definitely worth it. Like, I definitely think that you need at least one, if not all the colors. P.S. Alo Yoga, I will totally take some more. All right, we have another set. This teal set is amazing. Like, so high quality, great support. The fabric is soft, but also like you feel like you're able to move around. You're not gonna mess it up. It's definitely squat proof, like for sure. I love this set. This sports bra has great coverage, great support. It is like a longer line tank with the sports bra built in. I do like to tuck mine under just because I have a very short torso and it tends to roll up that way anyway because of the shape of my body. So if you just kind of tuck it under, it gives you just like that little bit of skin to, I don't know, I like to break it up so it's not like I'm just in a bodysuit. But highly recommend. These leggings are amazing. They are a little bit long on me, but pretty much every full length legging is going to be. But these are actually 7/8. So, you know, be aware if you're short and shopping on Alo Yoga to like shop for your length of leg. All right guys, last but definitely not least, this is my favorite set that I got. I told you earlier that I had another one of the one shoulder sports bras. This is her. I love the blue color. I was so nervous about buying like a light colored activewear set like this, but no, like you need to branch out, get the colors you want. You don't need to live in black activewear. Like there's so many fun colored sets out there and you need to get them. This is your sign. All right guys, like I said earlier with these one shoulder sports bras, you're not going and running and doing cardio in these, but they're so cute. You can still lift in them, which is what I do. And you can wash, you can dry, well, at least I do. And it still has stayed amazing quality. And you know what? Squat proof. This outfit is amazing. Thank y'all so much for watching this try on video with me. If you liked it, make sure that you like this video below, subscribe to my account so that I can keep doing more videos like this. Bye-bye.